Hi again, everyone. This is Jim Dunkerley with Fusion Realty, letting you know that even with today's real estate market, there are deals to be had. I currently have 2 homes in escrow, but take a look at this beautiful 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a pool. And stay tuned for more. Located in the prestigious city of Verne, which I got an offer accepted for my clients Monica and Rick, right here in Southern California, below asking price by $15,000. From the beginning, we are welcomed into the home by the beautifully leaded glass front doors and tiled entryway. See how guests will feel cozy as soon as they step foot into the house. And what's that delightful smell? Monica asked for a big kitchen, and she got one. The gigantic kitchen you see here has everything my clients need, and then some, for preparing and sharing meals with its center island, tile flooring, stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinetry for storage. There's plenty of room for cooking and eating. Rick and Monica are looking forward to hosting family and friends because, as you will see, there is a spacious living room with an oak and marble fireplace and a large family room / den with a rock fireplace. Check out the pool table. Monica and Rick also wanted a back patio, and you can definitely say that they got what they wanted here. Along with the entertaining yet tranquil backyard, they will have a large covered patio with a built-in barbecue and fridge. And did we mention the pool? We did, but see for yourself. This newly plastered and newly tiled pool is big enough for the adults at the deep end, but also has enough space for the kiddos, as you can see, to enjoy in the shallow end as they learn to swim with the adults watching them, of course. My daughter Cecilia, who's 6 years old, was definitely excited to see the pool when we all toured this home. These are just some of the features of this home, which also boasts 4 upstairs bedrooms, including a master bedroom with its own fireplace. A home like this can be yours. And again, I saved my clients over $15,000. So just give me a call or shoot me a text at 714-225-7870, as you saw on the business card in the beginning. Again, I am Jim Dunkerley with Fusion Financial, and I'm here to help you buy or sell your home every step of the way. But don't take it from me, take it from my clients. I'm Jim Dunkerley, and I'm here to help you find your home every step of the way.
I felt very comfortable with how he did business with us. He gave us his expertise, and this is why I think this would be a better option.
To me, it seemed like more than just trying to get any home. It was more the home that fit for us.
And now anytime someone even brings up houses, we're like, well, we worked with Jim, and he was great.
My ability to work with you is unmatched because you, the client, come first. I have a great team with over 30 years of mortgage and real estate excellence. Please give us a call at 714-225-7870. You can find client testimonials such as these at blogsmithjim.com and on my YouTube channel, Power Tower 1975, which you are probably watching already. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And again, please call or text me for your new home. I'm Jim Dunkerley at 714-225-7870. And again, check out blogsmithjim.com and my YouTube channel, Power Tower 1975. Thank you.